That's the sound of them dreaming. Really? It's been studied.
That's awesome.
They only make those sounds to communicate underwater. So when scientists who studied Weddellies studied them on shore and found them making these sounds, there was no reason for them to be doing it. And they found that they did them in a rest state, in a sleeping state. And they compare it to dogs who run in their sleep or bark in their sleep. It's the exact same thing.
My dogs do that.
Yeah. But it's be able to listen to a Weddell when it's sleeping. It's a once in a lifetime experience.
Yeah.
I've been doing this and been around Weddells the last 5 months, and I've only heard this once before.
It's a pretty interesting range.